got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Come on, I see no change.
What you running here, man?
I got 4 ZV6 15D1s on 4 Salt 8Ks wired at 2-1 at the moment because I keep blowing subs at
One per sub?
Yeah, 1 per sub.
Oh, yeah, you got plenty of it.
Yeah, on 140 amp hours C-Max and 2 400 amp auto techs. 4 runs back.
Oh, yeah, you got it in here. Let them know they can find you on social media.
They can find me on Team Deadly Decibels, man. I'm all over. I'm on TikTok too, but I don't even remember the fucking thing. I think it's A Mitchell something.
I'm sure somebody will tag you on there.
Yeah,
I'll be sure to tag you on the video, bro.
All right, good looking,
I appreciate the demo, bro.
Yeah, good looking, bro.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got me back here. You can't never have too much, though.
No, you can't.
Ain't no such thing.
If I'm wearing down to half, I'm playing for 32,000 before subs.
Don't get hot quick, ain't it?
They take it for like a couple minutes.
You ain't gonna be able to play that long.
I won't be on demo, no. I won't be on demo at all, but I get a 61.32 on the headrest.
Yeah.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.